A classic debate, science versus God. It feels like forever ago we had to choose sides, right? Like Team Science rocking their lab coats or Team God clutching their holy texts. But what if it's not that simple? What if science and God are less like wrestling rivals and more like complementary superpowers? Let me explain. We often get stuck in this either-or mentality. Science explains the how the Earth formed, how life evolved, how Bitcoin exists. But science often struggles with the why.
Why? 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 Why?
Why is the universe so perfectly fine-tuned for life? Why are there these fundamental physical constants, like the force of gravity, that if just slightly different would mean no universe, no us? Here's where things get interesting. Imagine you're a super intelligent being, and you want to create a universe. First, you gotta gather the ingredients, right? Then, you gotta figure out how those ingredients come together to form galaxies, stars, and planets. Finally, you gotta do it all in a way that's organized and, well, makes sense. Enter science. Those hows become the laws of physics, the building blocks of our reality. So, maybe it's not about picking sides. Maybe it's about recognizing the signs of intelligence woven into the fabric of science itself. The order, the balance, the sheer improbability of it all existing by pure chance. That's what makes some folks see a higher power at play. Now, before you roll your eyes, let's acknowledge that many religious traditions are totally cool with science. The Earth being round and revolving around the sun? Old news. Evolution? Totally acceptable in many faiths. Even the Big Bang Theory explaining the universe's grand entrance has its roots in the work of Georges Lemaitre, who was, plot twist, a Catholic priest. The point here isn't to prove God exists with fancy science experiments. Science, by its very nature, deals with the stuff we can measure and observe. Faith, on the other hand, operates in a different dimension. It's about showing that science doesn't disprove religion. In fact, the more we learn about the universe, the more mind-bogglingly awesome it becomes. Think about it. The entire universe hinges on about 30 specific numbers. Physicists call them physical constants. These are like the universe's secret recipe, and if you mess with them even a tiny bit, poof, no stars, no life, no us. The odds of these numbers just randomly falling into place are, well, astronomical. Most physicists agree, such perfect tuning can't be entirely random. There are two main possibilities. Either a super intelligent being set these constants, or they happened by pure luck in one universe out of an infinite multiverse we can't even prove exists. Look, both explanations require a big leap of faith, right? There's no scientific evidence for a super being, but there's none for a random multiverse either. So what now? Well, consider this. It takes billions of lines of code to run Google. It takes trillions of lines of genetic code to run a single cell in your body. Now imagine all that code just evolving on its own. Sounds a little crazy, right? Science is amazing, but maybe it doesn't have all the answers. Maybe the why behind the universe's incredible design points to something more. This doesn't mean science and religion are locked in an epic battle, though. They can coexist, each offering a unique perspective on the world. Science explores the how, while religion explores the why. Together, they paint a more complete picture, a picture that might just leave you feeling a little more amazed by the whole existence thing.